Hello and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we'll show you how to use remote component monitoring in Pandora FMS. Remote components or modules are monitoring elements that allow you to perform checks over the network without the need to have a software agent installed on the device you want to monitor. To make use of a remote component, you must be registered in the section Configuration Templates Remote Components. In this view, all the predefined remote components in Pandora FMS will appear in addition to those you create manually. In order to create a new one at the bottom of the console, you may select the drop-down and select the option you wish. Depending on the type of component you choose, the look of the component creation page will be a bit different. In this case, we're going to create a network component. Select Create Network Component from the drop-down menu. In this section, indicate the name you want to give the component, which will then be taken by the model, and also the type of data that you're going to monitor. In my case, I will select the option that comes by default to be able to do a host alive check. You may also choose the template group this component will be applied to. For this example, I will select Network Management, which is the same group the default host alive component of Pandora FMS belongs to. If you wish so, you may also modify the module group it will belong to and the execution interval. With this information, you will have enough to create this component, although you may continue to define other module options such as thresholds, labels, flip-flop thresholds, etc. Click on Create and it will be finished. To apply the component that you created, go to the module view of the desired agent. Select the type of module to be created, in this case the network server module, and in the first drop-down select the group you chose when creating it. Now you can make use of the drop-down on the right, which will contain the components available in that group. Select the one you created and click Create. Wait a few seconds, and in case the device is active, check that your module works properly. As an extra, at Pandora FMS we have a Templates section where you may include components, in this case remote ones, which can be later applied on agents quickly and easily. This section will be found in Configuration Templates, Module Templates. Once you have created the network component, you may add it to these module templates if you wish so, to later use it with other Pandora FMS tools, such as Discovery tool. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you like the video, smile, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Any suggestions, questions or ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you may contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you on social media and in future learning videos.